Finally, my Jasmine Bonsai starts flowering. In the previous video of this bonsai, I showed how I transformed these tiny seedlings into this beautiful bonsai. If you are watching this bonsai for the first time, then go back and watch the previous video first. I will put the link in description. After 2 months, after another 2 months. Now it's time to prune my bonsai. I will simply cut back the long branches. Some of you always ask, when is the perfect time for pruning? Well, I usually prune my bonsai when I found the branches are getting too long. I only take a break in winter. Typically from October to February, I don't do anything except watering. This branch needs to be removed as it's not looking quite good.
The next video of my YouTube channel will be on this tamarind bonsai. I will show each and every step from day 1 to year 4. If you want to watch this video, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell.
After 3 months, as you can see, my bonsai is looking quite healthy and has tremendous growth. It's necessary to prune these long branches, but I won't do this right now. If I prune this now, then there might be no flower in this season, but already you guys are waiting to see the flowers. After 2 months, finally the flower buds are coming. After 2 days, they are not still blooming. Then I realized I have to wait for the night to see the beauty. At midnight. It's around 2 a.m. in the morning and I'm in my garden just to show you the flowers. Right now, my garden is full of its magical smell. The next morning, after 15 days, I found my bonsai in this condition. Most of the flowers has already bloomed. The leaves are getting yellow, so I decided to give it a nice pruning. Day by day, the tree canopy is getting bigger and I am falling in love with this. After 3 months, this is the front view of my bonsai. And this is the back view. This time I will do a little bit of pruning on the long new coming branches. I will keep a pair of leaves and remove the other part. This will help to stop dying back the branch and new branches will grow from here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. See you guys very soon. Later.